Alright guys, here's another quick video, again, featuring SEALIGHTs. I'm not sponsored by these guys or anything, I paid for these, but they just are very affordable and they work as advertised. So this is actually my third light. These are two other headlights that I got for two other vehicles of mine, and now I'm going with some fog lights for my F-150. So let's go ahead and get these opened up. As you can see, it's a pretty simple deal. These really very much like almost like a traditional bulb. It doesn't have a big cooler or a fan or anything, so you just kind of plug them in and you just replace your traditional bulbs with them. But I will be showing you how to get to the bulb on the particular truck, which mine is a 2004 F-150, so this will be true from 2004 all the way through 2008, and I would imagine even other years the process will be quite similar. All right guys, let's get to it.
So it was windy and cold and everything, and the audio was pretty bad because of all the wind, so I figured I'd do the voiceover. So as you guys can see on the driver's side, I've got it's still a light that works in there, but it's very yellow, very nasty looking. And then on the passenger side, the light is completely out. You know, I've just been dealing with it for a while, but it's time to fix it.
God, no, this is crazy. It's not even snow, it's like ice balls. I'm trying to do this work. Alright. Alright, first thing you want to do, you want to turn your wheel away from whatever one you're going to be working on. So I'm going to turn it away like that, and then I'm going to have to shut it off. Now I had the lights on for demonstration, we can shut the lights off too. See, right in there. Okay. Grab this thing. It's like a quarter turn. Let's take the wiring off first. Now, so you can see that bulb is definitely seen better days.
So the weather was really something this day, and I figured I was just gonna struggle through it. I want to get done. As always, it's easier to do these sorts of things without trying to hold a camera in your other hand. But so this made this a little bit difficult, just to get the right angle and whatnot. So I eventually switched hands with the camera and got it with my dominant hand, and I was able to get the angle no problem. So as you can see, once you get it in there, you can plug this back up. Me anyway, it looks a little bit blue, but these lights are not blue. These are 6000K pure bright white, and they look quite good. So guys, you like this video, then go ahead and hit me with a like, subscribe maybe. You know, got more content on its way, guys. We'll be doing more stuff to this truck and other auto related things. I also do computer and maybe a little bit of home automation type stuff. Peace.